Hey friends, today I am going to share the CSIR net study plan based upon the previous year marks distribution. Okay, one request that I have been receiving for such a long time is that how to prepare for CSIR net GRF exam, because although there are so many resources available, there are so many books, there are so many YouTube videos, there are so many contents, still people cannot qualify the exam. Okay, so that's why their question is that in which way they should prepare for this exam. Okay, so in order to do that, I have made a list of previous year marks distribution, and I will share the study plan based upon dividing students in two categories. Okay, category 1, students who have a very strong concept in pure mathematics, and category 2 will belong to those students who don't have that kind of strong concepts in pure mathematics. Okay, so without getting any further delay, let's watch the previous year marks distribution of the CSIR net exam. Okay, so actually this estimation is based upon the average of previous year marks distribution. In real analysis section B, they ask 5 to 6 questions. Each questions carry 3 marks, so near about 18 marks. Okay, and in section C they carry 8 to 9 questions, and each questions carry 4.75 marks. So it is near about 38 marks. Okay, and hence the total marks is 56 to 60 marks. Okay, in linear algebra it is 6 questions, maybe 1 or 2 questions extra added, or maybe 1 less questions you can get in the exam. Okay, so there in linear algebra it is also 56 to 60 questions. Abstract algebra and number theory, there are 3 to 4 questions. You can go with 3 questions as well. In that case there will be 4 to 5 questions. Okay, so total marks is 35.75. Yes, there will be 5 questions, because last year there were 3 questions from ring theory and 2 questions from group theory. So yes, 35.75. In complex analysis there are 31 marks, 4 questions from part B and 4 questions from part C. Okay, so total 31 questions. And just like that, OD, PD, 4 questions from part B, 6 questions from part C, total 40. COB, integral, 2 questions part B, 3 questions from part C, total 20.25. Okay, and topology matrix space. This topic, actually people who have a strong concept in pure mathematics, they can solve the questions of topology very quickly. It does not take time. This is one good thing about pure mathematics, you know. So there are 1 to 2 questions, and 1 question is total 7.75 questions. Okay, now in which way you will prepare for the exam, that's most important, as we are assuming that there are 3 months in our hand, right? So I have told you that I will categorize the students. One is category 1 and category 2. Category 1 are those who have a strong concept in pure mathematics. So if you have a strong concept in pure mathematics, then first strategy is for you. Okay, category 1. Category 1. Category 1. If you have strong concept in pure mathematics, then I am assuming that in real analysis you can easily gain 40 marks, 35 to 40 marks. Okay, 35 to 40 marks. And in linear algebra, you can easily get 40 marks. Linear algebra is very easy, right? In abstract algebra and number theory, as you have a strong concept, so I am assuming that you have read group, ring, field theory very well. Okay, so in that case, and number theory as well, 1 question came most of the time from number theory. So in that case, you can acquire 35.75. You can get 20 marks out of 35.75 if you have a very strong concept of pure mathematics. Okay, and now it's about topology and matrix space. So here you will write at least 1 question, so 4.75. Okay, now complex analysis. This is again an easy topic for students who have a strong concept in pure mathematics, right? You can complete most of the questions or solve most of the questions. So here I am giving you 20 marks. Now add those marks. 40 plus 40, 80, 100, 120, 124. Okay, so if you are too strong in pure mathematics, still 124 to 125 you are getting, and if still you are getting 124 to 125. And if your target is to get 130, then either you have to make your pure mathematics portion more strong, or you have to apply at least one section, ODE, PD or COB integral. Well, I personally find that you have to do a little bit less hard work in COB and integral equations. So if you are those student who is strong pure but who don't have any concept in applied mathematics, then you can start COB and integral. It again depends upon you. If you have a strong concept in ODE or PD or at least one of them, then you can go with that. Okay. So this was for those who have a strong concept in pure mathematics. Now those who don't have that kind of strong concept in pure mathematics. Listen, if you don't have that kind of strong concept, then you will definitely not get that kind of marks. Right? So you have to definitely prepare these subjects, ODE, PD and COB integral equation. If you have a very strong concept in pure mathematics, then you can skip ODE, PD, at least you can do one. If your target is to get 130 marks, okay? And if you don't have that kind of too strong concept in pure mathematics, then you have to prepare these two parts as well, okay? So now, as there are only 3 months we are assuming, then how you will, if you want to start your preparation from day to day, then what you will do? Well, I will recommend you that you first start from concepts as well as try to solve the previous year problems, because that's more important. Okay, if you can't solve previous year problems, if you can't know how to handle the MCQ questions, then you will definitely face difficulty in exam. Okay, I have seen some people who acquire as many knowledges as possible, who have a tendency to pile up all those resources, but at the exam hall they don't know how to utilize those knowledges. So that's very important, that how to utilize those knowledges. If you can't utilize those knowledges, then all of your preparation will go in vain. Okay, so this was basically an idea. I hope you all get that idea that how you have to start your preparation from today. Okay, if you want anything more, then please let me know in the comment section that which topic you want to discuss in the next video. I will try to make a video on that topic in the next video. Okay, till then, take care, prepare well for the exam, best of luck, and thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video.